So students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is refraction of light. Refraction of light. So first of all, we will see what is refraction. The change in the direction of light when it passes from one medium to another obliquely is called refraction of light. Obliquely means the direction will be other than perpendicular direction. When light goes in one medium, then it will send obliquely. It means other than the direction of perpendicular direction. So as you can see here, this is the separation media. This line is acts as a separation media, and above this line it is a medium 1, and below this line it is a medium 2. So this is the light ray. This is the light ray that this light is passing from the medium 1 to medium 2. Then there is two possibilities. One is it can bend in this direction, or it can bend in this direction. So this bending of light, it means whether it can bend in this direction or whether it can bend in this direction. So these two direction, it means bending takes place. And this bending of light, when it passes from one medium to another, so whenever a light ray passes from one medium to another, the bending of light takes place, and that is known as refraction of light, or we can say change in the direction of light when it passes from one medium to another obliquely is called refraction of light. Yes, now we will see what is the cause of refraction of light. So the refraction of light, the refraction the refraction of light is due to the refraction of light is due to the change in speed of light. Speed of light. Speed of light ongoing from one medium to another. So what is the cause of refraction of light? The refraction of light is due to the change in speed of light ongoing from one medium to another. Because student, the speed of light is different in different mediums. So whenever the light passes from one medium to another, definitely its speed will change, and due to the change in speed, the bending of light takes place, and this bending is known as refraction of light. And speed of light is maximum in air, while in any other medium the speed of light is always less than that of air. So definitely when light travels from air to any other medium, there will be change in the direction, and that change in direction is known as reflection of light. So here we will write a note that greater is the difference greater is the difference in speed of light. Greater is the difference in speed of light in two media. In two media, greater will be the greater will be the bending, or we can say reflection. Greater will be the bending of light. So clearly you can see, or you can observe from the diagram given, that if the bending of light is max as compared to the incident ray, or that is the light is coming from one medium to another, then you can easily observe or easily get the idea that there is greater difference in the speed of lights. Because if the bending of light is greater, then definitely there must be greater the difference in the speed of light in two media.